Hi guys, it's Delia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project share I'm happy and excited to show you. I created this picture decoration repurposing one of the pages from one of the Dollar Tree calendars. You guys know that every year around this time DT carries super cute calendars for the following year, and I don't know about you guys, but I always keep mine, well, not always, because then I would have tons of calendars, but most of the time when they are super cute, I keep my calendars with the idea that I'll repurpose them somehow. I just never had until now. I got inspired to create this after I saw Makeup Munchies and More create her beautiful wall art using the DT calendars. Very shabby chic and really pretty, and I'll leave her video link down below so you guys can check it out. So yeah, I finally created something using at least one of the calendars. This was very easy to do, super easy DIY, and most of the items are from the Dollar Tree, so very inexpensive as well, because you guys know I'm all about the frugal life and inexpensive DIY. So yeah, I will show you the items that I've used first, and then I'll walk you through what I did. I used one of these square frames. This is a beautiful necklace. I love how bright the pink is. The color is so beautiful. The flowers are very well made and they have a little bit of detail, and the beads, oh my god, that's my favorite thing from the whole necklace. It's like they add a really nice extra touch. Really pretty. The picture is from this calendar. This is from this year. I love the flamingo and I love the quote, "Stand tall, darling." Really cute. And as you can see, the rest of the pictures are adorable and beautiful and cute, and the possibilities are endless. The white and pink paint are from Walmart and they were 50 cents each, so very inexpensive. The Mod Podge is from Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was paint the frame using the white paint as a base coat. I applied 2 coats. Then I used the pink paint and I applied 2 coats. I of course let the coats dry in between, and then I applied 1 coat of the Mod Podge to seal in the color. I cut the picture to the size of the glass, and I cleaned the glass with vinegar and a paper towel to get rid of like any finger smudges, dust, dog hair, or anything like that. And I hot glued the necklace all around the frame, and that's it guys. It's really easy, and I love how it looks. I love how it turned out. I think it's super cute, and I think the pink from the necklace matches perfectly with the flower and the flamingo. Really cute. And if you guys are wondering why I painted the frame even though it doesn't show because the necklace is covering the frame, let me show you. It's just my OCD guys. I didn't want this to show a black. If I would have left it the way it was, then this would be black, and I didn't want that all around, so that's why I painted it pink to match the flowers. Also, I should mention that this type of frame doesn't have the backing, you know, I don't know if that's the proper way of calling it, the little thing on the back that holds the frame to stand up. It doesn't have that, which is why I have it on an easel. So this type of frame is mostly just to hang. It has the little thing here on the back and the other one over here so you can hang it. But I wanted to display it like this, which is why I have it on the easel. And yeah, so yeah guys, this is all I have to share for now. If you also keep your calendars and have repurposed them somehow, please leave your ideas in the comments. I would love to read your ideas and know your ideas, so maybe I can try them as well. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.